Link is a function of DocMe that allows users to create hotkey combinations on the keyboard that will automatically search an index field in DocMe. Once a hotkey has been specified, users may open up any Windows application, highlight text within the application, and click the hotkey on the keyboard. A search of the index fields for the text highlighted will automatically be performed within DocMe. To create a hotkey combination, go to Start, All Programs, and look for the Office Gemini section, select DocMe Link. Under File, go to Options. Specify a username and password that is to be used, in case DocMe is not open when the hotkey is clicked. This will allow DocMe to automatically open and perform the search. When this task is performed, DocMe will log in using the username and password specified in the options. For security purposes, the admin user is the only username and password that may not be stored. Here, users may also specify what language DocMe Link will display. Select the database in the index field to search. Users may specify that all index fields of a database are to be searched by selecting the corresponding text box. Users may also specify if an exact match is to be found when searching. If not specified, a wildcard search will be performed. Select the special key, either the Control or Shift key. Then select the function key that is to be used. Add the hotkey. The two keys specified create the hotkey combination and must be clicked on the keyboard simultaneously in order for the action to be performed. Once the hotkey combination is added, it will be saved and stored in Link until removed or changed. Open any Windows application and highlight text to search for. Click the hotkey combination. DocMe will automatically perform a search of the index fields specified as if the text were typed directly into the DocMe Search tab. The text will appear in the fields that were searched. The result list will appear under the viewer as usual. Let's go ahead and close DocMe. Observe that DocMe is no longer open on the workstation. Open any Windows application and highlight the desired text and click the hotkey combination. DocMe will automatically start up and log in using the username and password specified in the link options. Once DocMe is open, the search results list will be displayed. Thank you for watching the Hotkey Link video tutorial. For more detailed instruction on this function of DocMe, please refer to the user guide, which may be obtained from the help menu of DocMe or on the downloads page at www.docme.com.